In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use comments in Google Docs. Google Docs is a fantastic tool for collaborative work, and learning how to effectively use the commenting feature can significantly enhance both feedback and communication. Whether you're working on a team project, getting feedback from a teacher, or simply making notes for yourself, comments can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the process, step by step. First, to get started, you need to open your Google Doc. If you don't have it open already, just go to your preferred web browser and navigate to your Google Drive. From there, find the document you want to work with and double-click to open it. Once you have your document open, we can start focusing on where you'd like to add your comments. Next, identify the specific text that you want to add a comment to. You can do this by clicking and holding your mouse button, then dragging over the section of text you're interested in. This could be a single word, a sentence, or even a whole paragraph. It's entirely up to you and can depend on the context of your document. Once you've highlighted the desired text, you're ready for the next step. Now look over to the right-hand margin. If you've selected text, you'll likely notice a small icon that looks like a speech bubble with a plus sign. This is our Add Comment icon. For convenience, it might also be visible on the top toolbar of your document. Clicking this icon is a crucial step as it opens up the comment interface, allowing you to type out what you want to say. Let's move on to writing your comment. A text box will appear next to your highlighted section. Here's where you can type your comment. Be clear and concise in what you write, particularly if others will be reviewing it. This is your chance to provide feedback, ask questions, or leave important notes for anyone who will review the document later on. Once you've crafted your comment and you're satisfied with how it looks, you need to save it. Look for a blue button labeled Comment, usually located right below where you've just typed your message. Simply click this button. Congratulations! Your comment is now saved and will be attached to the chosen section of your document, ready for collaborators to read and respond to. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to make effective use of comments in Google Docs. Whether you're collaborating with a team or just keeping your own thoughts organized, comments are an incredibly versatile tool. Thank you for watching, and happy doc editing.